Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple, easy, cheesy garlic bread. It's filled with loads of cheese and that soft bread on the inside with that crunchy crust on the outside. I love this recipe. It's my go-to snack. And so I'm just going to mince up some garlic. And I'm also going to be using fresh parsley. This adds to the flavor and the color. And I got this straight from my garden, so look at how beautiful it looks. And the thing about this recipe is that you don't really need the exact measurements because there's only a couple of ingredients. And just go with your gut, see what it's telling you, and you can just make adjustments as you go with it. And I'm just going to put this all in a bowl. And I'm just going to add a spoon of olive oil. And now I'm just going to add 2 spoons of softened butter. I'm not using the hard cold butter, I'm just using the softened butter. And just mix that all up. And there you go, you have your spread. That's basically it. And you can add other ingredients to it to make it more better. You can spice it up with some jalapenos or chili flakes or pepper. But for today, I'm just using the original way. And I'm also just going to add a pinch of salt. And that's your spread, guys. Just mix it all up. Now I'm going to take some slices of bread. I'm not using anything fancy here. I'm just using normal bread. But you can go fancy and use a baguette or any different kinds of bread. And you're going to spread the spread really evenly. Make sure every corner gets that garlicky, cheesy taste. Also, recommend some new recipes for me to try out in the comments and I'll try to make them. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And I'm just going to top this up with some mozzarella cheese. Now I'm just going to garnish it with some more parsley. It just adds to the flavor and gives a beautiful green color. And you can also go ahead and add some spices if you'd like. And I'm going to bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes long. And you can also use the stovetop to also do this. The oven way gives you a more crispy way, but the stovetop, it's more cheesy, less crispy. I love both ways. You can try one once and then you can try the other way the another time. Just look at how crispy it looks. I'm going to be silent for the next minute because I need you to hear the crisp. Just look at this. Like, did you guys hear that crisp? Oh my god. So yummy and so easy to make. Go make it right now. And this is the stovetop way. It's also good. It's just really more crispy and you can really taste the flavor. But it's not as crispy as the oven way. But both ways are amazing. And that's it for the recipe. Bye.